The Canon R6 Mark III is shaping up to be one of the most highly anticipated mirrorless cameras of 2025, representing a major leap forward for Canon's mid-tier full-frame lineup. After a surprising teaser release and quick takedown that puzzled fans, Canon's upcoming announcement, scheduled for early November, has reignited the excitement among photographers and videographers around the world. The slogan "Elevate Your Image" perfectly encapsulates what Canon seems to be aiming for with the R6 III: refinement, innovation, and a genuine step-up in creative capability. With an upgraded 34.2-megapixel sensor delivering oversampled 7K video, the R6 III promises remarkable improvements in both stills and video performance. This higher-resolution sensor not only enhances image clarity and color depth, but also offers a more detailed oversampling pipeline for 4K recording. The R6 III can reportedly shoot 4K fine video up to 60 frames per second with oversampling from a 7K source, while also potentially supporting 120 frames per second in 4K, a benchmark capability that has become increasingly common in modern hybrid cameras. Although the final specs remain to be confirmed, early leaks suggest that Canon has designed this model to compete head-to-head with the Nikon Z6 III and Sony a7 IV, both of which have set new standards for mid-range full-frame mirrorless performance. Canon's integration of new technologies like an upgraded DJI X processor, possibly paired with a DJI accelerator chip, could allow for faster subject tracking, improved real-time recognition, and significantly better low-light autofocus performance, features that professionals and enthusiasts alike are eager to see implemented. Beyond just video capabilities, the Canon R6 Mark III looks to elevate the photographic experience for users upgrading from earlier models. Its impressive 40 frames per second burst shooting rate with the electronic shutter and 12 frames per second mechanical rate offers incredible versatility for sports, wildlife, and event photographers who demand precision and speed. The upgraded image stabilization system provides up to 6.5 stops of shake correction, ensuring handheld shots remain tack-sharp even in challenging lighting conditions. Combined with an ISO range that extends to 64,000, the camera should perform exceptionally well in dim environments, maintaining Canon's reputation for excellent noise management and color accuracy. Canon has also upgraded its media handling capabilities, with the R6 III featuring a CFexpress Type B slot alongside a UHS-2 SD card slot, providing flexibility for different workflows. The new CFexpress V4 cards can deliver astonishingly fast read and write speeds, up to 3.5 GB/s write and 3.7 GB/s read, making them perfect for managing large 4K and even 7K RAW files directly from the camera. For creators who value efficiency, this means faster transfers, smoother editing workflows, and better performance during high bitrate video capture. The presence of open-gate recording, Canon Log 2 and Log 3 profiles, and full-size HDMI output for external recording suggests that Canon is paying special attention to serious filmmakers and hybrid content creators. Another major talking point for the R6 III is the autofocus system. Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 technology has long been praised for its accuracy and speed, but the new model is rumored to feature further refinements, including advanced AI-based subject detection powered by Canon's DJI accelerator. This would allow the camera to better predict subject movement, maintain lock even when the subject is momentarily obscured, and deliver more natural focus transitions during video recording. Competing with Sony's real-time tracking and Nikon's deep learning AF, Canon's advancements in autofocus could make the R6 III one of the most reliable systems available at this price point. This innovation would especially benefit videographers shooting dynamic scenes, sports, and wildlife, where consistent subject tracking is critical. On the video front, Canon seems to be narrowing the gap with professional cinema cameras by offering 10-bit 4.2.2 internal recording in multiple codecs, including H.264, H.265, and all intra options. These allow users to choose between maximum quality and efficient storage, adapting easily to different production environments. The camera's 24-bit audio recording and improved preamp system will also deliver cleaner, more dynamic sound without requiring external recorders for many productions. The Canon R6 III's design appears to follow the ergonomics of its predecessor while introducing refined controls and an improved heat management system to support longer recording durations in 4K and 7K RAW modes. The camera will use the reliable LPE6NH battery, ensuring compatibility with existing accessories while maintaining solid endurance. With a launch price expected between $2,699 and $2,999, the R6 III positions itself as a premium yet attainable option for creators looking for a blend of professional features and manageable cost. This makes it a direct competitor to Nikon's Z6 III and Sony's A7 IV, both of which have dominated the market in recent years. But Canon's strong color science, lens ecosystem, and hybrid design philosophy could give it a real edge. What makes this camera even more interesting is Canon's rumored integration of the DJI accelerator chip, which has already appeared in higher-end models like the R5 Mark II. This specialized coprocessor offloads complex tasks such as autofocus prediction, image stabilization coordination, and image processing, resulting in faster overall performance and less thermal strain during long video sessions. The R6 III is also expected to bring enhancements in usability. A fully articulating touchscreen, intuitive menu redesign, and customizable controls will make it more accessible for vloggers, documentary shooters, and travel creators. The inclusion of built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, and potential cloud integration with Canon's online platform could simplify transferring media and remote operation. Many expect that the R6 III will introduce Canon's new real-time HDR viewfinder mode, allowing users to preview dynamic range more accurately while shooting. This feature, if implemented, will further position the camera as a hybrid powerhouse capable of delivering exceptional results across both photography and cinematography. As we approach its official release, the Canon R6 Mark III seems set to become one of the most balanced and capable mirrorless cameras in its category. It bridges the gap between Canon's professional flagship models, like the R5, and its more budget-friendly options, such as the R8, offering enthusiasts a meaningful upgrade path. Whether you're shooting high-speed action, cinematic short films, or detailed portraits, the R6 III is engineered to handle it all with ease. Canon's decision to reintroduce the teaser after its brief removal has only fueled speculation and anticipation, with fans eagerly awaiting to see whether the 7K oversampling, CFX Press V4 support, and enhanced autofocus will all make it into the final release. With shipping expected to begin in late November 2025, just in time for the holiday season and Black Friday deals, this launch could mark one of Canon's biggest moments of the decade. If all the rumored specifications prove true, the Canon EOS R6 Mark III will not just be an iteration, it will be a statement that Canon is ready to redefine performance expectations for mid-range full-frame cameras. From its advanced AI-driven autofocus system to its versatile codec options, extended dynamic range, and durable build, it represents the culmination of years of refinement in Canon's R-series lineup. While competitors like Sony and Nikon are pushing boundaries in their own ways, Canon's focus on color science, reliability, and user experience continues to win over both professionals and creators, transitioning from DSLR systems. For anyone looking to elevate their creative workflow, whether for weddings, documentaries, travel films, or YouTube content, the R6 III could be the perfect all-rounder. As the countdown to its official reveal continues, one thing is clear: Canon is back in the game with something powerful, refined, and ready to dominate the hybrid mirrorless segment once again.